Jata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at NESCO where FinBridge Expo is happening, and we have with us Mr. Nitish Mukherjee, who is the director of Indian Institute of Quantitative Finance, and he will be telling us what exactly this institute is all about, what they are teaching over there, and what is the USP of IIQF. Sir, Nitish Mukherjee, sir.
So IIQF is known as the oldest quant body in India. So if you're aware, there's a field in finance called quantitative finance, alternatively also known as financial engineering, and we have been advocating this field, and we're promoting this field in India through the education areas, right? For the last almost 15 years, more than 15 years in fact, 2008 onwards, right? So we have our own certificate courses in various areas of quantitative finance, financial engineering and related allied areas, right? Including risk management, algorithmic trading, data science, machine learning in finance, right? So these are fields, these are courses which prepares you for the specialized fields which are known as the quant fields in the industry, where you use mathematical models to solve a lot of financial problems like valuation and pricing of derivatives, going into building quant-based trading models, building risk management models, and all that, right? So our courses prepares you all this for all these roles in the quant industry in international banks, hedge funds, other financial institutions, trading desks, and all that. So here in the Algo Expo, we are particularly promoting our algorithmic trading courses because this is like a trading expo. So we have a couple of courses in algorithmic trading. One is known as a postgraduate program in algorithmic trading, a very comprehensive course preparing you with all aspects of algo trading using technical analysis, price actions, machine learning based trading strategies, quant model based trading strategies, and all that, right? So this is for somebody who wants to build their own algo trading systems. If you have a trading logic, you want to automate it, come to us. We'll teach you how to build your own algo trading system, right? So don't be afraid. Even if you are not from a coding background or not from a mathematical background, we have solutions for you as well. So yes, with that, all the best for your trading journey.
So that is what I wanted to know. That is, what is the prerequisite? What is the pre-qualification for doing this course, sir?
So as I said, there are two courses. For the courses in the postgraduate program in algorithmic trading, that's more mathematical. So ideally you should have some mathematical background. You can be from commerce, finance, economics, engineering, mathematics, statistics, but you should be good with numbers, right? And if you want to build an algo trading system, you need to also know some programming languages, because without a programming language you cannot build an algo system. So if you know programming, that is well and good, but it's not a prerequisite. In case you don't know programming, we help you by providing you what you call a primer modules on Python, where actually you join a little in advance and then we give you access to that module to learn the basics of Python, right? So otherwise, anybody graduate from commerce, economics, engineering, mathematics, statistics, they can all do our courses.
Thank you so much.